Hello Super Lightnings, this is your champion Tanner Parker back again for a new video on the Champion Racer Collection channel. And I have here another tripod, which is this one. I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller, but actually it works well. There. So, oh my god, but now this is going to be a little difficult because I have this huge box in the middle of my way. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing this box. And as you saw from the thumbnail, you guys know which car is in here. Let me go grab the scissors. Okay, right. Bruh, how come this is not working? Ah! Come on! Son of a bitch! Bruh, I just landed. Son of a bitch! I can't open. Oh, kind of open. Ouch! Hand, but it's okay, I'm okay. And that's one of the primary reasons you need to be very careful with scissors, because you might cut yourself. Good thing with me, I only scratched myself, so there's nothing to be worried about. Right. The vehicle's in here. Wait, let me get the scissors out of the way. And let me try to get this box out of the way. Box. And H.J. Hollis. We're reviewing H.J. Hollis, and it took a minute to unbox it, so let's take a look at H.J. Hollis. So on the name tag it says H.J. Hollis. I think I need the flashlight. Yeah, that's one. So in the name tag says H.J. Hollis with the diecast. On the artwork, there's this nice artwork. Disney Pixar Cars with the Mattel logo. Disney as seen in Cars 3 with H.J. Hollis' prototype and his name in multiple languages. So let's get to unboxing H.J. Hollis. Oh, that won't work. Ah! Isn't there just gonna have to be a corner that I literally rip everything? So here is H.J. Hollis, right out of the package. Let me slide in my laptop here so that way I can play some more. Why do I have to use my laptop? Why do I have to use my laptop if I can just use the Piston Cup stage? Oh my god, it's really dusty. Ew. But anyway, here's H.J. Hollis. So it says N2O Cola on the hood with his frown, headlights, grille, and vents. His splitter's green. So it says N2O Cola with the number 68 and the sponsors, which says Piston Cup, Combustor, Carbon Fiber, and Synergy. On the back has his tail lights, the number 68, N2O Cola with the rookie stripes. The other side's basically the same thing, but flipped, but with the addition of the gas cap. On the roof has the number 68 with the fading design. And on the spoiler, it says N2O Cola with more fading design. I only have one car from the N2O Cola team, being Manny Flywheel. Both are racers for 68. Okay, so which means the only car left I need for the N2O Cola team is Parker Breakston. The grounds are really dirty. I really need to clean off my Piston Cup stage. But anyway, this was a short review, honestly, but sure worth it. Well, Manny out of the way. Thank you so much for watching. Champion Racer Collection saying goodbye. And HJ drive off the stage. Okay. Okay, now it's really over.